Welcome back to MS Car Reviews, and today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most luxurious and futuristic motorhomes ever designed, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. This masterpiece blends the bold personality of Cadillac with the comfort and presence of a rolling luxury mansion. If you're someone who loves high-end travel with style, power, and cutting-edge technology, this is the kind of motorhome that immediately grabs your attention. Right from the moment you lay eyes on it, the exterior tells you this is not an ordinary RV. Cadillac's signature design language is written all over its massive body. The front fascia features a bold chrome grille that stretches wide across the face, paired with vertical LED headlights that carry Cadillac's modern styling. The entire exterior is finished in a deep, glossy metallic red that reflects light beautifully from every angle, making the motorhome look like a premium luxury SUV on steroids. The aerodynamic sculpting has been refined to reduce drag despite its enormous size, and the chrome accents, sharp body lines, and massive alloy wheels give it a commanding presence on the road. The side profile is sleek and surprisingly modern for a vehicle this large, featuring high-gloss panels, hidden door handles, and a seamless layout that looks premium and futuristic. This truly feels like a combination of a motorhome and a luxury limousine, engineered to impress before you ever step inside. Once you enter the interior, the entire atmosphere changes into pure first-class comfort. Cadillac has equipped the 2026 motorhome with a lounge-style cabin that feels more like a high-end penthouse than a vehicle. Everywhere you look, you see high-quality materials: hand-stitched leather, real wood trim, brushed aluminum, and ambient LED lighting that wraps around the ceiling and furniture. The living area includes reclining massage chairs, a large smart TV, a surround sound system, and built-in climate control that adjusts automatically. The motorhome even includes a luxury mini-kitchen equipped with a refrigerator, microwave, induction stove, and premium storage cabinets. The bedroom features a queen-size bed with memory foam, reading lights, and privacy blinds, while the bathroom offers a full standing shower, elegant sink area, and hotel-style finishing. The interior design feels open and incredibly spacious, helped by smart use of lighting and modern sliding partitions. Cadillac has ensured that every corner delivers comfort, class, and advanced technology. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome surprises you with more power than you expect from such a massive machine. It's powered by a high-torque V8 hybrid engine designed to deliver strong pulling capability, smooth acceleration, and excellent stability on highways. The hybrid system also helps improve fuel efficiency compared to traditional motorhomes, making long-distance travel more practical. Cadillac's adaptive suspension system keeps the ride smooth, even on rough surfaces, and the steering is assisted with modern safety tech like lane guidance, collision alerts, and 360-degree cameras. Despite its size, the motorhome feels composed and confident on the road. As for pricing, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome sits firmly in the ultra-luxury category. Depending on customization and options, it is expected to start around the high six-figure range, placing it among the most premium motorhomes in the world. But with its unmatched luxury, modern design, cutting-edge features, and the undeniable presence it brings, many enthusiasts will find it worth every dollar. This is Cadillac's bold statement in the world of luxury travel, and it sets a new standard for what a motorhome can be. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching our video.